Oh, I've lived in Chowchilla all my life. When I grew up here, it was more country atmosphere. I married a gal from Long Beach, so I mean, the city vibes have kind of come into my life, but my core is what I am. So, my name is Joel Wood. I work in the binder room here at the Chowchilla facility. We make fiberglass insulation that we use for different types of buildings, commercial buildings, industrial buildings. There's two parts to my job. I am the one that mixes all the ingredients together to actually bind the fiberized glass together to make it stick together. And I also take care of our filtration system for our water and any excess fiberglass that doesn't make it down the line. I've worked at the Chowchilla facility for almost 18 years now. I've been working with my grandfather, who's 84 now, and my uncles that are both in their mid-50s or so. And we're working on almost 20 years of 3 generations out here, and it's been really good to us all. When I first started out here, I came in as an entry-level position, just like anybody would. Our HR manager at the time had asked me if I would want to participate in their tuition reimbursement program. So I took advantage of that opportunity. What was awesome about it was not only did they assist me financially, they assisted me with all the time off I needed for it. Anything I needed to get my education and finish school in the most prompt way, they allowed it. I was able to obtain my bachelor's degree, and it's been great to me. They helped me get my education. I now have a family. I have 3 kids, married. We own our own home. It's been really good to me as far as building over the years. Getting my degree, I know there was a lot of people in my family that were very proud of me for doing it, and that also helped push me to do it because they wanted to see me succeed. They knew the company was already good to me, so doing something like that just made it more of an impact on my family. Not only to allow them to watch me succeed, but also motivate my younger generation as well. One of the beautiful parts about CertainTeed at Chowchilla is you can come in here, you have the opportunity to get further your education, but it's not necessary because it is already a great place to work. They take care of you, you can build a great lifestyle, but they also allow you that extra opportunity if you want to move up the chain in a different direction. You have ample opportunity to move up within the hourly or salary. Either way you want to go, you can come here and have a path. They take care of you here. They're just good to you. They're really good to you as far as any opportunities you want. It's a great schedule. The monetary aspect is great out here. Everything about this place will give you whatever type of lifestyle you want to live.